going on, guys? It's Vico Kang here, your very own GoHighlevel Ninja. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to execute your own webhook using GoHighlevel Workflow and Zapier. I'm going to also showing you and walk you through the most up-to-date feature that Highlevel have when it comes to webhook. All right, so we're going to start off with our workflow on Highlevel here. So for anyone who's new to the platform right now, a webhook is a form of a third-party communication between Highlevel and a third-party app. For example, if you do something on Highlevel and you want it to talk to Google Sheet, to Slack, to Zapier, or to anything, like to Stripe or third-party app, this is what you need to do with webhook. So when you come into workflow, and you're probably familiar with this already, workflow, anything within a workflow, let's say if you add a contact, right? If you contact tag created and the tag is hashtag abandoned, something like that, okay? All of the action that you can pick from is all performed within the app or Facebook if you have Facebook integrated, right? So that means you update Stripe, you update Facebook, but if you want it to talk to Google Sheet per se, or Slack, or ClickUp, or Asana, or Trello. So the new feature that Highlevel just came out with is that you are now allowed to execute those webhooks all within Highlevel with a paid service. I think it's $0.01 dollar, which is 1 cent per action, which is still cheaper than Zapier business plan. So it does make sense if you want to go and do that. Now, our agency, we have a active Zapier account. We don't feel like we need to enable that, but if that makes sense for you, you can do that. But in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to do that with Zapier. Okay. So what you want to do is that you have an action base when the workflow is getting triggered, right? And the next thing you want to do is you want to search webhook, right? So this is a webhook, right? And you want to save action. You can't really save it because now you can see that you need to enter a URL. Now you got to ask yourself, where the hell do I get the URL, right? You want to come to Zapier. Right, you want to create a new Zap, right? Actually, you can click here and create a new Zap, okay? And the first thing that you want to search, and this, for guys, anyone who's watching this only works with a premium plan on Zapier, right? So it has to be a paid Zapier plan. So you want to search webhook, okay? And if I'm just moving my video here without getting too lag, is that webhook by Zapier. And what you want to do is that you want to catch hook, okay? And you want to continue. I would ignore this. This is just by default, just leave it empty. So if anyone who have not known me yet, my name is Vico Kang from Vicolize Online Consultant. I run a multi-six-figure marketing agency that serves real estate agents in Australia and New Zealand to get more listing and be more profitable in their business. At the same time, we also an official GoHighlevel partner. We have actually onboarded 200 plus agency owner onto the software at this time of recording. So if you haven't got an account yet, make sure that you actually click the link on the description to make sure that you are actually using our affiliate link to get an account to get that bonus extension when it comes to the free trial. So you're going to get a 30-day free trial when you're actually using our affiliate link. Highlevel itself is originally offer a 14-day free trial, but because we are an official partner with them, you are actually getting the benefit of the 30-day extension when it comes to the free trial, as well as qualify for our bonus gift and our snapshot. If you want to know more detail about the bonus gift and the help and the support, the snapshot that we actually offer for new user, as aka new affiliate that join Highlevel through us, make sure that you also check the link in the description as well. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I want to copy this, okay? This is the link that Zapier have provided us. Right, we're gonna come back here. Right, we're gonna come back here. Whoops. Nope, that's still a YouTube link. So we can come here, copy that to clipboard, and provide that, and we're going to save that action. So that means when a contact tag get added, it will send all of the information to this webhook, and then from there on, you can use Zapier to trigger some more third-party app, right? So if you click test here, right, and you want to test the trigger, and you can see that it couldn't find any requests. What you want to do is that you want to make sure the workflow is published, and you save the action, the workflow, and then you can run a test to that workflow, so something can push through at the back end, and it allows Zapier to sort of catch that request. Okay, so now it could catch the request, right? And you want to be checking as well. So if there's multiple options, you want to be checking that, saying like, normally there's A, B, and C, and you want to see the latest one 8 seconds ago, right? So now the request comes through, right? And then you can map that off to Gmail, Dropbox, ActiveCampaign, email, Google Docs, Google Sheet, so many more. So the whole point of this webhook is to send out the information from GoHighlevel and push it to any third-party app, like 100 plus, 200 plus app that Zapier have connection to, actually 5,000. So yeah, I mean, like, that is how to do a webhook. If you have any question, make sure that you drop it in the comment below. This question has been asked a lot, and this video also have walked you through what the new feature on Highlevel is when it comes to custom webhook and their internal webhook. So if anyone using that right now, feel free to comment below on what the feedback look like from using the internal webhook from GoHighlevel itself. Is it worth the money when it comes to 0.01? And yeah, if you have any other question, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.